Few things will slow down your business more than issues with the devices your employees rely on for their jobs. But with Zebra's Device Diagnostic Tool, the next time a device malfunctions, you only need to remember one thing: test before you stress. Our Device Diagnostic Tool is a downloadable app that's free with your Zebra OneCare contract. It lets you test many of the key capabilities of our Android mobile computers so you can determine the status of your device before sending it in for repair. Here's how it works. The device tool quickly tests the hardware, battery, and connectivity on Zebra Android mobile computers to determine device health and functionality. This powerful, user-friendly tool can quickly help you identify issues that may be fixable on the spot, meaning less downtime and fewer costly repairs. And if it does identify a problem, you're that much closer to your device being back to full functionality. Imagine an employee notices that their device appears to be malfunctioning. Typically, this means returning the device for diagnosis and potentially repair. They have to stop their job, get another device, ship the non-working device out, and then get back to work. But with Zebra's diagnostic tool, a quick test can reveal that the device is in good working order and that replacing the battery solved the problem. And that's just one of the many ways it can help you get the most from every device. With the Zebra Device Diagnostic Tool, your valuable devices spend more time where they belong, in your employees' hands. So the next time you encounter a problem with a Zebra Android mobile computer, just remember, test before you stress. To download the app or learn more, visit zebra.com/DDT.